Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're heading to the stand. I'm having a hard time wrapping my head around it, but today is the last day of deer season here in Ohio. So basically what we're gonna do here is anything that shows up that's brown is going down, all right? We're not being too picky at all today, last day. Let's see if we can make it happen. Well guys, we made it to the stand. It's a beautiful day out, sunshine, 50 degrees, super windy out today though. We got a west wind coming in, but as I said, anything that's brown is going down. Anything really. I mean, hopefully, if I see a doe, I'm gonna shoot it. If I see a buck, I'm gonna shoot it. I'm not gonna be picky at all. So, I'll see you when I'm seeing deer.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Come on. Come on. Go down. Go down. What a way to end the season. Let's go. First buck ever with the Hoyt RX3. Oh my gosh, I said I wasn't gonna be too picky. So, last day of the season, you cannot ask for a better ending than end with the buck. It just went down. It just went down. Let's go. Man, I cannot be any happier. Oh my gosh, my arrow. It's right there. Like I said, if it's brown, it's going down. I wasn't gonna be picky. So, hey, it doesn't matter the size of the rack, they all taste the same. Man. I'll see you in a little bit. Well, I'll see you when we, not much of a track job because it's right there. But I'll see you when we're looking at it. Found my first buck of 2020, into the hunting season, last day of the hunting season. It's no giant, but that is a buck. Oh. I think it's my biggest one yet, Mr. B. His antlers are on there good. That's not very big. But hey, it's meat.
It's good meat.
Meat hunter right there.
Good meat right there.
Didn't go. Went 50 yards. That's it. Alrighty, who's ready to get some pictures?
It's a good place to hit him.
So it's a perfect stop from the tree stand.
Because they went that way.
Yeah. Especially the way
Down and out. Yep.
Not exactly the 200-inch. Yeah, I was hoping. Well, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't yet, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. And also, thank you guys for finally making me hit 200 subs. It helps me out, makes me feel good. Thanks for watching. Peace.